Hello and welcome back to Core-aholics. This is Glam Queen of Décor, and if you're new here, welcome. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you a traditional tablescape. Now, if that sounds interesting, stay tuned. But please remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright, my glam family, let's get this traditional Christmas tablescape video started. Alright, my glam family, this video is part of a collaboration, and it is for myself, Glam Queen of DIY, Design and Style with Stacy, Levels of Style with Sandra, and Tablescapes by Candy. Please make sure you go over and check out these ladies' videos. I'm dropping their link down in my description box. Now here is my plate on a traditional tablescape. And everyone, this tablescape is TT inspired because she was pulling out the pieces for us to do this tablescape. Now I'm going to let you see what we created for this traditional Christmas tablescape. It is kid friendly. I hope you enjoy it. we styled this table with those red Dollar Tree chargers. My dinner plate and my salad plate was actually a thrifted find that I elevated by DIYing it. I spray painted them. The napkin, you know I am a lover of the larger napkins, so those are those 12 by 12 Dollar Tree pillowcases. The napkin rings are from Totally Dazzled. My green stemware and my red stemware is a thrifted find. Those clear wine glasses are from the Dollar Tree. Now what we did in the centerpiece, TT pulled out the tree garland and the ornaments and put them on the table, and I just set the table up with what she wanted. So that centerpiece is nothing but the tree garland. I have red, a few silver and green ornaments. I have a few of my spiral picks in there, a couple reindeers, her little green Christmas tree. Now her Christmas tree is actually a cup, but she wanted it on that table as well. I put in my 2 reindeers. Now I took my 3-tiered mercury glass candle holders. I added that red vase that was a DIY centerpiece. Now everyone, let me tell you, if you're not a family of the Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen Unboxing, or Glam Queen Vlogs channel, please make sure you subscribe now. We thank you so much. Please make sure you check out the other ladies' videos, and we'll see you in another video. Bye everyone. Stay blessed and stay positive.